Turn down your volume. Hi guys, it's Ivy here. My cat just got scared. Are you okay, Twinkle Toes? She just stopped looking at herself. And then there's Babby, and then there's Pookie up there. Anyways, it's hashtag Ginger LPS, and today I might be doing a mashup. Well, not a mashup, not like complete mashup, but I might be doing a little tiny music video just because what's her name? So stupid. LPS Kitty Cat, I think. I'm not sure, but I think she is doing a Molina's, I don't know. But she is doing a mashup. So I will be doing one of those today. But if it's not, it's good. But I tried. Anyways, that will be my new intro though. Ivy LPS here. I scared her again. Oh, look at her. She's just so scared. And yeah, I will be doing that on my brother's phone. Because I do not have two electronics to do it with. That's why I do. Like, I copy that. Like, crap. Yes. Yas. Okay, plus I do not edit good, so yeah. And I did not have a lot of accessories. I will be using some trash. So yeah. Because this is clearly oh look. Wow. Look at that cat. How did she get up there? Okay, anyways. So yeah, that's what it will be about. We will be doing a mashup. And thank you so much for 41 subscribers. I basically am alone at this house, so yeah. The door is shut and locked. And I just heard him diesel! Yes! I told you to turn down your volume. Why haven't you turned it down? Turn it down. Thank you. Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you so much. And for 50 subscribers, I will be showing my face. The reason why I'm yelling is because I'm happy. I love you guys. Bye. IVLPS is out.